Greetings all, this is Ezra here, aka the voice of reason. And today I want to speak to you about the mathematics of words. And so when we think about it, we have 26 letters in the alphabet. And if each of these letters was a value or a number, so i.e. A equals 1, B equals 2, etc., we would have all the numbers up to 26. And so when we look at those values in terms of words and their meaning, they can be quite powerful. So let's check this out. So when we think about knowledge, when you add it up together in terms of their value, it equals 96%. So we know that knowledge is really important. Knowledge is power. We often say it, knowledge is power, and it's true. You have to have knowledge and an understanding of things to be able to empower yourself, to be able to do things the right way. But then we have hard work. Now, everyone says that you need to work hard in order to be successful. And hard work is very important. They say it's the 10,000 hour rule, that 10,000 hours in order to be successful in whatever you do, in order to master yourself or master a particular area that you are interested in. And it gives us 98% when we look at it in terms of mathematics. But even though both of these are really important, they fall short of 100%. But when we think about attitude now, attitude, when we look at it in terms of a mathematical equation, equals 100%. And it's really important because attitude is the thread that links all things together. Whether it's hard work, whether it's gaining knowledge, you have to have a right attitude in order to achieve those things. So when we think about attitude, attitude is about a mindset. And that mindset creates, how you deal with things, how you look at things, and how you achieve in life. Failure does not mean final when you have the right attitude. And so your behavior will be determined by your attitude. They say that a bad attitude is like a flat tire. You get nowhere until you change it. Your attitude determines your actions, how you react or respond to things. Attitude is what brings about your results. And it's key in terms of identifying your performance. Someone who has an attitude of there's no point because we're going to fail anyway, their performance will reflect that. But the attitude of someone that I will not stop until I achieve this will create a total different environment, attitude, and result. And so, as it says, attitude is a little thing that makes a big difference. It's paramount in terms of us determining our future and our goals. And so when people say impossible, impossible can be read two ways, as either it's impossible or I'm possible. And having a positive attitude is always a choice. It's something that we can choose to or not engage in. And it's important that we recognize that. What is your attitude today? What is your attitude in your current situation or circumstance? What is your attitude in those areas that you need development in? And what is your attitude in those things that you do well? It's important that we examine and look at ourselves and have a reflection to be able to identify where our 100% is going. And attitude can be very much be seen like your DNA. It is just like your fingerprint. Your fingerprint is unique. There is no one else who has the same fingerprint as you. And there'll be no one else who will have the exact same attitude as you, because your attitude is based on your experience, on your choices, on your behavior, and on your mindset. And so I encourage you all to think positive, to be positive, and to have a right attitude, because your attitude determines your gratitude, and your gratitude determines how you will be. So I hope that you all today choose to reflect on your attitude and make the right choices so that you can have a fruitful and successful future and life. This is Ezra, aka the voice of reason. Over and out. Thank you.